everyone. It's time again for another episode of In the Mail. As many of you know, the YouTube coin community has tons of amazing channels that put out great content on a regular basis, including opportunities for buying, selling, and trading, and lots of giveaways too if you take the time to look around and meet some others. I have been lucky enough again to get some more mail, and it's time again to do some shout-outs for those and to show you what I've received. Remember, links to all the channels that we mentioned in this episode will be found in the description below if you'd like to take a look at them further and show them support, which I recommend. All right, first up we have mail from Sheldon Herring-Wexler. Many of you know Sheldon already, but if you do not, he's a really great guy out of Honolulu, Hawaii. That's a real big-time supporter of many of the channels here in the YouTube coin collecting community. And he's a wonderful supporter of the hobby in general. A couple of months ago, when I led that multi-channel giveaway event where we gave away a 1909 SVDB Lincoln cent, Sheldon was one of the very first to step up and agree to help and become a part of that. Sheldon has a cool channel of his own and does some amazing mail call videos of the various things he buys and trades with others in the community. Recently, Sheldon sent me one of his channel stickers, and I'll show you that here. Sent it well protected here in some cardboard. And here we go. That there is Sheldon's sticker, which I think has to be right up there with as being one of the coolest, channel sticker designs in the entire hobby. Look at that, beautiful. So thank you very much, Sheldon, or as they say in Hawaii, mahalo, brah. There we go. So next up, we got mail from Young Coin Hunter. Young Coin Hunter, as some of you might be able to guess from his channel name, is one of the younger collectors here in the YouTube coin collecting community. He is always one of the first to step forward to help support others who are doing auctions, giveaways, or similar events by doing shout-out videos from his channel. I mean, he's always like, if you say, hey, I need help, I need a shout-out video, he'll have it up within 15 minutes, it seems. He's just very supportive. He also regularly participates and helps out in many of the live streams that we all know. Young Coin Hunter was also one of those 25 channels that participated in our 1909 SVDB Lincoln cent giveaway a couple of months ago. And recently, Young Coin Hunter had a channel sticker made up for his channel, and he sent one of them to me. So we'll take a look at that. Got that there. So we got a note here. It says, here is my channel sticker for the trade. Can't wait for yours. Happy hunting, Young Coin Hunter. So very cool. And there is Young Coin Hunter's sticker. Coin roll hunting, mail calls, and more. Young Coin Hunter. And we got there a 1857 seeded. I'm guessing it's probably $50. But as you know, the seeded coinage, they use the same basic design for the half, the quarter, dime, silver dollar as well, but that just looks like a $50. So not only did I get that nice note and this terrific sticker, but it looks like here, he wrote that mine is sticker number 2 out of 50. Very cool. Thank you very much, my friend. So next I got 2 packages that came in, and I'll show those right here. Got one here and one here. Got 2 packages that came in from 2 different channels, but they only came to me because of the generosity of one person. We've already mentioned that Sheldon and Young Coin Hunter were part of our 1909 SVDB Lincoln cent multi-channel giveaway, and some of you will no doubt remember that the winner of that special coin was Cutie Cat. I think most of us were pretty happy that she ended up being the winner of that coin, as she's a really kind person, very supportive of many of our channels. Well, I did not know it at the time, but shortly after her win of that 1909 SVDB Lincoln cent, she had some of her winnings from a couple of other channels forwarded to me as a donation to my channel. That was totally unexpected and completely unnecessary. With all that was sent here, it's certainly the largest donation to my channel that I've received to date, and I really thank Cutie Cat for all that support. She doesn't have any videos on our channel right now of her own that I saw, but I have included the link to her channel in the description below too, just so you can give her some support and so that you'll be there if she ever decides to start making videos of her own. So let's take a look at what we got here. I'll set this to the side for a second. So this first package here, Cutie Cat had sent my way from Mickey Rob's Banks. So Mickey Rob's Banks has a fun channel that many of you will know him as finding some of the early release West Point mint quarters not too long ago. So we got that there. He also does some coin roll hunting, which I'm guessing Cutie Cat participated in, and had some of her winnings from that forwarded to me. So here we go. Well, first of all, here's Mickey's stickers. There we go. Got the wanted poster one, and then Mickey's mugshot. Really cool. And there he goes. He mentions on this sticker here, accidental early release of the West Point quarters, which I'm sure you'll be able to do some Google searching and check that out, or just go check out his videos if you haven't seen what that's all about. So really cool stickers. Thank you very much. And then here's some coins that were supposed to go to Cutie Cat. I got that upside down, but she had them sent to me. So first up here is a 1968 Denver 40% silver Kennedy $50. Very nice. Thank you. And here we got a 1939 Philadelphia Mercury silver dime. Thank you. And here is a 1954 Philadelphia silver Roosevelt dime. Very great. Thank you very much. Again, thanks Mickey Rob's Banks for mailing this stuff. And again, thank you to Cutie Cat for having it mailed to me. All right, next is a very heavy package here that Cutie Cat had sent to me from RavenHawk Coins. And we'll get into this. As you guys might know, RavenHawk does all sorts of great videos and does live coin roll hunting as well. And again, it looks like from this that Cutie Cat did participate in some of that coin roll hunting in one of those streams, and had a bunch of her winnings from that sent my way. So let's get into this. All right, there's a bunch of stuff in here. So first of all, here is a little bag. We'll see what's in this one. We got a 1969 Denver 40% silver Kennedy $50. A 1963 Philadelphia silver Washington quarter. A 1942 S silver war nickel. We got a 1964 Philadelphia silver Roosevelt dime. And it looks like another silver Roosevelt dime. This is a first year of issue, 1946 Denver. Was that a Denver? Let me just double check. Yep, Denver. So very nice. So we got some silver there in that little baggie. Oh, there's a lot more in here. This one there's so much silver in here, this just fell right out. So let's take a look here. That one got stuck there. Let's see what's in the 2x2 holder here. This is a brilliant uncirculated 1963 Denver silver Washington quarter. Just look at that luster on this one. Get it even a little closer so you can just see. Looks brand new. Awesome. Here we got another 1969 Denver 40% silver Kennedy $50. This one here is, this one's an uncirculated 1967 40% silver Kennedy $50. That one just looks awesome. Look at that luster again. See how that light just cartwheels around the surfaces? That's what you want to see on a nice mint state. Beautiful. Got another war nickel here. This one is a 1945 Philadelphia. And another silver Roosevelt dime. This one is a 1956 Philadelphia example. So another little silver Roosevelt dime. Awesome. Oh, wow. There's just so much more in here. Let's see what's in this bag. If I can get them out of there. All right. Again, here's another war nickel. 1942 Philadelphia. And the war nickels, in case you don't know, they're 35% silver. They took the nickel out of the nickels during the time for World War II. This one here is a 1964 Philadelphia 90% Kennedy silver $50. Beautiful. Wow, this coin's great. Look, it's got Queen Elizabeth, the younger Queen Elizabeth on here. Looks semi-proof like even. It's a Canadian silver dollar from 1963. Beautiful coin. And these are silver dollars from Canada. Look at that, there's a reflection on that. Beautiful coin. Got an uncirculated 1964 Denver Washington quarter. Again, these are 90% silver. Here's an uncirculated 1959 Roosevelt dime. Silver. And look at these. These are beautiful. I love these designs. What you got here is a 2019 Mexico Onza, silver Onza. And they also call these Libertad because of the design there. Just an amazing design. Let me get it a little closer to show you all. And then on the other side, you got the eagle with the snake from the Mexican flag, and just a whole bunch of different smaller eagles from all the different types of Mexican coinage, past and present. Just a beautiful 1 ounce silver bullion piece that Mexico puts out each year. Very popular. And also in that baggie is another silver Roosevelt dime in 1964 Denver. So lots of silver. And there's still more in here. This thing's still heavy. Here's another bag just full of coins. Wow, this is just amazing. So let's see what we got here. This is a 1959 uncirculated Roosevelt dime. Got a 1969 Denver Kennedy half, 40% silver. Got a little bit of an older Washington quarter, silver, 1942. 1959 Denver silver Washington quarter. It's another silver quarter. This one's a 1961 D. Here's a silver Roosevelt dime. Looks like this one's a 1946 from San Francisco. A 1968 Denver 40% Kennedy half. Looks pretty much uncirculated. Maybe just a touch of wear on the cheek, but look at that luster. Beautiful. Here's a 1966 40% Kennedy half. A 1965 40% silver Kennedy half. Another 1966 40% silver Kennedy half. A 1969 Denver 40% silver Kennedy half. And a 1967 40% silver Kennedy half dollar. Wow. This pile just keeps growing. It's going to get up to the camera here before we know it. And there's 2 more bags in here. Let's see what we got. And so many coins. This is just amazing. This one here, 1968 Denver, 40% silver Kennedy half dollar. A 1952 Philadelphia silver Washington quarter. 44 San Francisco war nickel. A 1961 silver Roosevelt dime. And a 1954 Philadelphia silver Roosevelt dime. So again, just tons of silver. And there's 1 bag left from this package. Got a pretty worn down Washington quarter from 1942, but it's 90% silver. And it's an old one. Got a Buffalo nickel here, a 1934 Philadelphia, with quite a bit of detail. It's probably a VF or so. Nice coin. A 1969 Denver, 40% silver Kennedy half dollar. A 1959 uncirculated Roosevelt dime, 90% silver. Another Roosevelt dime here. This one's a 1964 Denver. Again, 90% silver. And another Kennedy half here. This one's a 1967. Again, looks almost uncirculated there. Just lots of mint luster. Another 40% silver Kennedy half. And last but not least is another 2019 Mexico Libertad. The one owns a silver piece from Mexico. And again, these are just beautiful designs. Just look at that. Look at all, tons of detail. Just a really great 1 ounce silver piece out of Mexico. And wow, that's just amazing. Thank you again, Cutie Cat, for your generosity and support. It really does mean a lot to me. And all these coins that you've donated to the channel, that way they'll be put back into my channel one way or another. It'll really help me make better content going forward, and will also help to provide lots more fun for all of us, I'm sure. I really do apologize as well that I didn't get a chance to make this mail call video sooner. I did have this package sitting around for a few weeks, so I really appreciate your patience as well. With that, I thank you all for watching. If any of you out there want to send me anything for a future episode of In the Mail, my address is in the description below. I really appreciate all of your support, and until next time, keep having fun with your collections.